Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Aprilia Dianitha Haritsyah, and this is my second video for assignment of math economics. And then today I'm going to teach you how to solve these equations in 3x minus 5y equals 25. Dan hari ini saya akan menjelaskan poin mana titik koordinat mana yang sejajar dengan garis equation tersebut. Dan saya juga akan mengajarkan Anda tentang cara menggambar grafik dari poin-poin tersebut. So the first one is 5 point negative 2. So we have to solve this first with simple equations. So we have 3. We have to substitute the x and y to the points here. Right. 3x's, we substitute with 5, and minus 5y's, we substitute with 2, equal 25. So how to solve this is 3, 3 times 5 is 15, and let's do this minus. So minus plus minus is plus. So we have plus 10 equal 25, and then 25 equal 25. So the first point is true that this point is lies on the line equation. So we're gonna mark that. And the second one is B point not sorry point 10 and 1. So like the first one, we substitute the x and y. It will become like this: 3 times 10 minus 5 times 1 equal 25. We have 30, and then 5 times 1 is 5, and then 25, and then we have it, 25 equal 25. And the second one is also true, that this point is lies on the line equation, so we mark this too. We continue to the C. Have C here is minus 5 and 0. Same as like the first and second one, we substitute the x and y, which is 3 times minus 5 minus 5 times 0 and equal 25. We just basically like doing this to all the 6 points. So it's 15, 0, 25. 15 is 25. So in this case, like as you can see, it's not like saying the equation. So like this is not true that this point is not lies on the equation lines from the beginning. So we mark this as a no. Continuing the D1 is we have 5 and 10. Substituted as y minus, sorry, 5 times 10 equal 25. So 3 times 5 is 15, and then 5 times 10 is 50 and equal 25. So we have like minus 35 equals 25. So the D is also not true, that this is point is not lies on the line. So we mark this as an X. And then moving on to the E question, we have minus 5 and 10. Substituted 3 times minus 5 minus times 10. So we have minus 15 minus 50 equals 25. So we have this is minus 65 and then equal 25. So the E also not true, that this point is not lies on the line from the equation. So we also mark this as no. Moving on to the last point is the F, is we have 0 and minus 5. So we substitute it, 3 times 0 minus 5 times minus 5 equal 25. So we have the 0 and then minus 5 times minus 5 is minus 25. Sorry, minus times minus is becoming plus, so 0 plus 25 is 25, and then 25 we have equal 25. So the last point is true, that this is lies on the line, so we mark this as a yes. So from all of the solving that we do, we know that the point that lies on the line of the equation is point A, point B, and point F. So moving on to the graph, I'm gonna teach you how to make the graph in the next step. So here I have the graph that I prepared. The first thing, I'm gonna dot the point first. So the first point is 5n minus 2. So we dot it in here. This is the A point, and B is 10 and 1. So we have it here. No, sorry. We have it here, and then 1. This is the B1, B. The C is, we have minus 5 and 0, so the lines is here. We have the C, right? The D, we have 5 and 10. 5 and 10 is here. Have it here. This is the D1. The E is, we have minus 5 and 10. So we have minus 5 and 10. We have it here. And I'm sorry, here. Okay. So that is the E. And the last one is, we have 0 and minus 5. The dot is here. 5. I'm sorry. So as we can see right here, we can already see that F, A, and B is in one line. So let me get this straight. Let me show you that this is one line. So here is it. So as you can see that that is in one line. So yeah, I hope you understand what I'm teaching for you. Sorry for all my grammars and my mistakes. And yeah, thanks for watching and see you soon.